And so this is how online work has really impacted and changed my life. From being this person who used to be in a lot of debts and borrowing here and there from family, friends, relatives, and to make the matters worse, I wasn't even able to pay that amount of money back. So you can imagine the situation that I was in a lot of debts and borrowing, and I didn't even have the capability of paying that money back. So it has enabled me to come out of debts, have been able to clear all the debts. I have none right now. And it has also enabled me to meet my basic needs and even be left with something to invest elsewhere, and also to help other people, because it's not all about meeting my basic needs, investing. It's also about assisting other people or uplifting other people. I've also been able to meet the basic needs of my child and even meet her needs. So that is something that I'm forever grateful to for this online work, because it has given me some financial stability. I may not be there in the creme de la creme of the society, but I'm grateful right now that I'm not in debts and I'm not in distress, wondering where I'm going to remove my next meal or my next thing. So what I would tell you, it's doable and it's possible. Another thing, it has given me flexibility of working, because it's not like the 9 to 5 job where I'm reporting in the morning and by evening, by 5 I'm out. No, it has given me flexibility to report anytime I want and to even stop working anytime I want. But as for me, because of the discipline, at least I have set some specific hours for working, but I'm very much flexible. It has also given me an opportunity to grow. It has also expanded me, because I have been learning new skills each and every day, each and every moment. So that is how I can say that online work has changed my life. As simple as that. At least right now I can even buy myself a pizza. So if you're desiring to do it, it's doable, it's possible, but it's not a get quick scheme.